When we talk about watercolors, they always turn to be a medium that satisfies our inner soul. It has the power to cure anxiety, stress, and brings peace of mind. It's not just a medium, but a flow of paints that help us to take confident steps. If you want to try your hands on watercolors and come out with your own creative masterpieces, then join me and explore my watercolor painting classes that I post on Skillshare. In this watercolor painting journey, we will explore various techniques that will guide you to understand watercolor techniques. We will briefly cover art materials where we talk about different materials required for the painting. These classes have detailed explanation of the subject so that you can learn it in a better way. So what are you waiting for? Join me on this art journey at Skillshare and explore your creativity. The joining link is provided in the description box and in the comment section. So grab your brushes and let's dive into the wonderful world of watercolors, and I see you in the class.